Welcome to the Hip House, and I'm Christine. We're in this location out in Cheyenne. It's called the Ranchettes, and it's just 10 miles north of town, about 2 miles off of I-25. So you have awesome access to all of the great other locations besides Cheyenne, like Mount Rushmore, Yellowstone, Devil's Tower, things like that. We're just right on that path. So if you're just a solo traveler, this is a great place to stop just for one night in our little Hip House Hostel. We have the sunset room for a retreat kind of feel with your family or just your loved one, and that has a private patio as well, and that overlooks the Wyoming prairies. So we have a cool little Hip House Zengelic room for the Zenful people who like to do yoga and have a kind of a Zen feel. We do things like barbecues, little parties on the patio, as well as bonfires. We like to show our guests around the property, and we like to share some of our master gardener experience. We grow some tomatoes that are like this big, and they're 10 to 12 foot tall, and we can show you how to do that, as well as beekeeping. We offer a beekeeping experience. We have 100 spots for primitive RV camping and tent camping. And out there you have access to an outdoor shower, a very nice outdoor shower, I might add. Did I mention the little hip bus, little hip party bus that seats about 15 people? And we can take you out around the town with that. You're just able to come out here and connect with other people, whether you're camping or a solo traveler, you want to have an event, just connecting to the land and the old ways of doing things. So hey, come on over to lastchancecamp.com. We'll sure welcome you just as a family member. Also, we do respect your privacy if that's what you would rather have, but we have so much here to offer and share with you. So we hope you'll stop by soon.